How to see block list on TikTok. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device and further make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Now, tap on the Settings and Privacy option, and in the menu that appears, tap on the Privacy option under the Account tab. Now, scroll through and you will see the option for blocked accounts under the Interactions tab. Tap on it, and in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to view all your blocked accounts. You can also tap on the Unblock option if you want to unblock someone from your TikTok. So this is how you can see block list on TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.